it to a little town called Santanella, and we have lots more to go to Oregon.
We have like 4 more drives, 4 more days to go.
We arrived here around like 10:30 p.m. So tired and just went to sleep. Next, we're going past San Francisco, somewhere nice area up north.
Go get in the car, get all our snacks, and just drive away.
So we're on the way to Oregon and then Washington, and that's it. And then we're gonna stay
Look
there
at
for the
my
rest
foot.
of the summer.
Look at my foot. It's naked.
Jab away the puppy, jab away the puppy, puppy, jab away the puppy, jab away the puppy, puppy.
Our road trip continues.
It's raining tacos. I'm playing Shastina.
Beautiful, isn't it?
We're in first place. Woo! Yeah, dude. We made it all ourselves.
And tonight we made a little fire. So we just gathered some dry sticks and we made a beautiful fire. Me and Miriam. Miriam likes making fires, right? Are you gathering more sticks?
Yeah, but I think this is good for the fire.
So we are
Roasting.
roasting some apples. So we threw some potatoes in, and now we're doing the apples. Mellow hot. So that's our dog Melville, one of our golden retrievers.
Your
Dad,
baby.
good dog.
Yeah,
And
mostly.
he's
chewed
been
up,
camping since he was a puppy.
he's chewed up my dad's blanket. That's how good of
Yeah,
a
he chewed up a
puppy
lot of blankets and
he is.
stuff.
That's
but
how
we
good
still,
of a puppy he is.
yeah, we still love him.
Yeah, he's a very good dog. He's very loyal.
Say hi to the
But
apples,
Mickey is
Melville.
Mickey is also a very loyal dog.
Melville,
When I cry, Mickey comes to me.
I'm gonna ask you guys a question.
Have you ever had pancakes?
On a scale of 1 to 10, what's the best color in the alphabet?
I think it's A+.
Mindy, you can't say what.
You're a bad boy. Why are you always being bad boys?
He's a cool baby.
we're getting closer and closer.
Mindy's making a netherite house. What?
Netherite themed, baby.
Wow.
It's ahead of us. Look, they're crossing sign. And there's Mount Shasta in front of us. How about that? And we arrived to,
Mount Shasta.
woo, there's snow on it.
It's 100 degrees outside and there's snow on that mountain.
All our puppies. Hello, puppies. Yeah, so guys, this is an active volcano, and it's a stratovolcano, and it's built out of many layers of lava. That's Lake Shasta, Lake Shastina. There's a swan swimming on the lake. Miriam! Pretty, look, there's a dam.
It's a nice view from here.
Hi, Martin.
I see a dam.
There was a bird that like sang like this.
That's pretty.
Have you ever?
That's a pelican or a different bird? That's
I don't
cute.
know what kind of bird that is.
Miriam, what did you get?
Oh, I made some organic ice cream. All you need is a fresh squeezed tangerine with this if you want, or you can do it with your hands. And then all you need is apple juice. Put it in the fridge and bada boom, bada bang. One day waited and it's fresh ice cream from the fridge. Oh, and put it in the freezer, not the fridge, the freezer.
It's delicious. I tried it. It's really good. So just freshly squeezed tangerines and a little bit of
Here, you
apple
want
juice.
some?
All right, guys. So we're gonna be in Oregon in 10 or 15 minutes. Mommy, what do you think? For the first time, we've never been in Oregon. This is our first time going to Oregon. We've never been in Oregon. Let's do this. Minzy, of course, is still playing Minecraft.
Handmade day.
Yeah, we're super close. We're about to be at the border. Look at that, guys. Look. What? While Minzy's obsessing over netherite, you should go subscribe because we haven't passed the border yet. Before we pass the border, you should subscribe. Look at that, guys. Oregon welcomes you. We are officially in Oregon. Let's go. They drove all the way from the middle of hot, sunny California all the way to Oregon. Let's spend the next summer here.
Martin, we're in Oregon. That's the welcoming center. Woo! Yeah, that's nice. Beautiful. Woo! Miriam, we're in Oregon. What do you think? Nice grass? Very nice grass. Haven't seen grass like this in California for a long time where we live. In years. You look nice on that green grass. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna be here for the next 4 months, spending summer, having a fun time in the snow, in the heat, and making lots of videos. So yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Okay, it's gonna be snowy. We're gonna be in snow in the summertime. Anyways, what we were trying to say is we might go to Montana and have another snow video because, well, I mean, who doesn't like snow? Well, we parked, and Minzy's playing on the playground right now, and we're officially in our first park ever in Oregon.
It's a nice RV park. Lots of RVs, and there's a big screen. They're gonna show a movie tonight.
A river in Oregon, and we're gonna go swimming in it. We're gonna have a tent to swim in the river. So let's see if it works.
First stop in Oregon. Umpqua River. I'm sure I'm saying it right.
Which jump are you making? Alright, go for it.
Miriam, what did you find?
I found a little fish inside there. It was really creepy.
Miriam likes searching for stuff. Yeah. Is there a real fish?
Yeah, right there. You see how it cornered itself? Like a ninja. You gonna do it?
Oh my gosh. No, I just
It's right there now.
It's so cool.
Oh, it has a boo-boo
It
tail.
has a boo-boo tail. Don't catch it.
Oh, good thing I didn't do that. Yeah, it actually might be trapped over here.
Oh, poor baby. Miriam, what did you do?
I pet a fish.
And then the fish swam into deeper water. Yay, we saved the fish. It's already a sunset, guys. Look, the sun is setting behind the mountain. Crazy, no? I don't think so. And I'm cooking right here. We have like outdoor kitchen. And here's some potatoes for Miriam and burritos for everybody. Vegan burritos.
We made it to Oregon. We made it to Oregon. Yeah. And now we're having a great dinner.
we don't even have that many states more to go. We just have like Alaska. We're going to Washington soon. Hawaii, and then all of
We're
those
going
states.
to Washington and meeting our friends.
All of those states. Maine,
Yeah,
haven't
we're
gone
gonna meet your best friend Masha from New York. She moved there.
Seems like a good first night in Oregon, and there's a delicious dinner. Thank you, Mommy, for cooking it, and Grandma.
You stayed on.
We put it perfectly! Birthday complete! Yay! Guys, look! It's a scenic drive by the river!
Had to make a pit stop. Beautiful place.
And I'm trying to beat Minecraft. Oh, comment down below if you know Minecraft. I'm trying to beat Minecraft the first time in survival.
Yay!
We're moving, and as you can see, we're like going really, really close to a tree over there.
Oh,
We have this delicious food with ice cream. And Melvin, he wants some food so bad himself.
it's
so bad.
so good.
Yeah,
it's
we
so
have
good.
the best dessert ever. Okay, I don't care.
Blizzards with blueberries inside and vegan vanilla ice cream. It's so good.
Yeah. This is what it looks like. It is delicious. And I don't care what you say, vanilla and caramel ice cream is the best ice cream. As long as you add some chocolate chips in there, it is delicious. And also, I got 330 calories per pint on purpose. All right, it's delicious.
We're walking up this giant dune.
The second time with Mommy and Lindsay.
Look at this beautiful view.
And we're on a beach and we're wearing jackets. That's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's like 60 degrees right now. Pretty
Yeah.
cool.
Look what I found!
Wow, it's giant. It's a shell and it has a big hole in it.
Hey, come see the dead crab!
That's a piece of a crab or a lobster. Martin! It's gross.
Oh, here.
Oh, that's the rest of it. That's another part of it. Miriam is making a sand angel.
Oh my God.
Later we're gonna snowboard, not snowboard, but sandboard.
So those jellyfish actually glow. We actually saw a bunch of them in a lake like a couple years ago. And they were like glowing. There's a lot of them. We were trying to catch them in like a net and then just let them out. Like touch them a little bit and just blow them out.
What did you write?
Subscribe to Martin and Miriam.
I think it just says Miriam.
Subscribe to Martin and Miriam. That's what it says.
Miriam's dead jelly.
Okay, Martin for a little rock golf.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Oh wait, what? Oh, somebody wrote subscribe. Mindy just left us. I don't know where Mindy is. Oh, Mindy's over there. We gotta get to Mindy. Mindy, what are you doing? She's burying her crop. Oh, Daddy was playing golf. Whoa!
I'm gonna hit this one. Clear to Hawaii.
3, 2, 1.
Look out, Hawaii.
Well, shout out to whoever wrote subscribe on the ground. Subscribe. You should, okay? It's a good channel.